Alma of the Airwaves, Lucky of the orange couch, behind these beautiful flowers from the park this morning. Look at this beauty.
It's two
Blue,
o'clock.
it's 2 o'clock on Saturday, the 23rd of April, 2022. Um, Today is a Saturday. I'm sitting all day today and tomorrow in summit organized for the third time in the pandemic by my one and only publisher, Raymond Aaron. Everybody loves Raymond. We know the sitcom, but honestly, everybody loves Raymond Aaron. He is one extraordinary teacher, I must say. I met him first in 2018. He's publishing two of my books, and he's just a wonderful man. He has been so successful in his business, publishing books. I'm so happy he is a Torontonian. He's born in Toronto and he works in Toronto. He lives in Toronto. Um, I'm impressed with so many things, and not the least with his own daughter, Emma, who published her book at the age of 15. Um, and she wrote this book, according to legend, in 4 days. So uh, you can always Google, I'll attach more information about him. But it is a wonderful weekend. 2 years ago, in April, it was again my Easter. He had his summit in 2020, the first year of the pandemic. And I had an interview with him. So he was part of my show. My Last Supper, you see, the guests have been seated. Yesterday they were standing, but now they're sitting. They have been seated. It took like 25 seconds to make them sit. Okay, but what we want to talk today most certainly is, again, our how do we spend our days. How we spend our days is how we spend our lives. Right? So I want you to consider for the next week to really pay attention to what do you see and hear when you go for a walk. Okay, here is my quote from nobody else but George Eliot. George Eliot is the pen name of the 19th century writer Mary Ann Evans. She believed if we had keen vision and a feeling for all ordinary human life, it would mean we're hearing the grass grow and the squirrel's heart beat. And we should die of the roar which lies on the other side of silence. But as it is, the quickest of us right now are about well watered with stupidity. Okay. You know, I live in a place where in the tree in front of my flat, there are always squirrels. When I read this quote, I took a video of my squirrels. There are usually so many. So after reading this, I cannot look at them and not try to hear their heartbeat. Amazing. We get inspiration, honestly, from anybody, anywhere, 24/7. The universe is emitting um, her wisdom 24/7. Have a wonderful day. You're going to see what we cooked. Because for my doctor, you know, I produce all these videos so that he can see that we're eating the rainbow with Lucky. And so you see what we cooked. And the video is from the actual outside this morning. Enjoy your life to the max as it comes. We have two choices. We accept it or we resist it. What we resist persists. So there is no point of spending any energy whatsoever to resist what's happening. But by acceptance and total surrender, we start dancing with life. Have a wonderful day. We'll see you tomorrow. I got myself, so just wish you a wonderful Saturday. On my menu, this is for my doctor, the rainbow. Okay, peppers, watermelon, grapefruit, oranges, all these fruits and vegetables, grapes, cashews, beautiful parsley, my last supper. It's all good. Not to forget the ginger and blueberries. Okay, I will stuff these peppers with. I browned the pork. I added some rice, carrots, white onion, parsley, oregano, and vegeta spices. I'm gonna bake them and I'll show you the end result. I'm gonna bake them with the whole zucchini because we need a zucchini puree. Who's hungry? And ready. Here are my stuffed peppers and zucchini.